Bombo International News.
Posible umanong si United States President Donald Trump ang isa sa mga targets sa naganap na pamamaril sa White House Correspondents' Dinner ayon yan kay Acting United States Attorney General Todd Blanche. Sa isang panayam, sinabi ni Blanche na patuloy pang iniimbestigahan ang motibo ng sospek, ngunit batay sa naunang findings, layunin umano nitong puntirihin ang mga opisyal ng administrasyon kabilang ang Pangulo ng Amerika. Ayon sa mga ulat, armado ang sospek at nagtangkang lampasan ang security checkpoint sa venue bago nagpaputok ng kanyang baril na nagdulot naman ng kaguluhan at agarang paglikas ng mga opisyal at panauhin. Kinilala ng United States media ang sospek na si Cole Thomas Allen, 31 anyos, mula California. Siya ay agad na naaresto at inaasahang sasampahan ng kaso kabilang ang posibleng tangkang pagpaslang sa Pangulo at pag-atake sa isang federal officer. Isang ahente naman ng United States Secret Service ang nasugatan sa pamamaril dahil agad ding na-discharge mula sa ospitala. Sa hiwalay na pahayag, sinabi ni Trump na maaaring may kaugnayan niyan sa relihiyon ang insidente at inilarawan ito bilang strongly anti-Christian, bagamat hindi pa ito kinukumpirma ng mga investigador.
One officer was shot but saved by the fact that he was wearing obviously a very good bulletproof vest. He was shot from very close distance with a very powerful gun, and the vest did the job. I just spoke to the officer and he's doing great. He's in great shape. He has very high spirits, and we told him we love him and respect him, and he's a very proud guy. He's very proud of what he does, Secret Service agent.
Yan ang pahayag ni United States President Donald Trump.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.